If you've lost access to your Namecheap account, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Namecheap account step by step. Whether you forgot your password, only remember your username, only remember your email address, or just know your domain, Namecheap gives you a few different recovery options to get back in. This is a simple process, and I'll walk you through each one so you can choose the method that fits your situation best. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your browser and go to the Namecheap login page. Once you're there, look for the option that says Forgot Username or Password. This is the recovery area you'll use to start the account reset process. Now, the next step depends on what information you remember. If you know your username but forgot your password, click the option that says I know my username. Then enter your username in the field provided and click Reset Password. Namecheap will then send a password reset confirmation email to your registered email address. Open that email and follow the reset link to create a new password. If you only remember your email address, choose the option that says I know my email address. Enter the email address connected to your Namecheap account, and then follow the prompts. Just like before, Namecheap will send a password reset confirmation email to that email inbox. Be sure to check your inbox, and if you don't see it right away, also check your spam or junk folder. Now, if you don't remember your username or email, but you do remember the domain tied to your account, Namecheap still has a recovery method for that. Click I know my domain, then enter the domain name into the field. After that, Namecheap will send a password reset link to the email address they have on file for that domain account. Once you receive the email, open it and use the link to reset your password securely. After you set a new password, go back to the login page and sign in with your recovered account details. It's always a good idea to choose a strong password that you haven't used before, and if possible, update your recovery information so it's easier to get back into your account in the future. So to quickly recap, if you know your username, use the username recovery option. If you know your email address, use the email recovery option. And if you only know your domain, use the domain recovery option. Each method will help Namecheap send the right reset email so you can regain access to your account. If this tutorial helped you recover your Namecheap account, please give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.